So we're at the TTU truck, and we have got a lot of big pieces made. We've got a lot of little things that need to be addressed, need to be finalized, but this truck has been such a big learning curve. Not learning curve, I mean, hell, we had the learning curve on the cab over, but this one here, not doing a 30 Chevrolet before, we've had to come up with our own dimensions and parts and yada, 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 yada. So it's been a little draining, to say the least. My guys have been crushing it. Now that we have a young lady that looks like she'll be staying with us for a duration of time, I need to knock on some wood because I really need her to stay so that way I can get down in here, because I've actually billed 14 hours this week, and I haven't been able to bill 14 hours in 6 months just because I'm running the office and all the rest of the stuff. But that's along the point. This truck here, I started back on doing some roof work and roughing the roof in, and we're so far away from having it ready, the roof lines, because we had nothing to go by. So we're kind of just, I didn't want to make a buck. I didn't want to make profiles. I didn't want to do this and do that. Just wanted to rough in a straight, flat, semi low crown roof for this truck. And so trying to get back in the swing of things and do some stuff, and because I haven't really been able to bend much sheet metal this year. Knocking the cobwebs off the old toolbox, you know, trying to get some stuff done, but we're relatively getting there. I got majority of it roughed in yesterday. So now we just got to get all of our angles right. Not angles, but our curves right to fit the side pieces. So, but I want to really take the time to talk about what's been going on for a while. This truck was supposed to be a body restoration, and the problem with the body restoration was what we got wasn't a body. What we got was parts to a body, and we've actually had to make the remainder of it. And a lot of it's a lot easier to make brand new than it was to try to refurbish what we had. That's why you see a new bed, sides, new tailgate, front bedside. We're reusing majority of the lower bed. Josh has made running boards and running board extensions. He's done the side supports on the corners. Those side supports, he actually made the tailgate. This tailgate opens up this way, and once it's all said and done and welded and secured, this door will actually be a handle to be able to get in and out of the back of the truck. So, and there'll be a latch over here. So, so that's all roughed in. I really kind of like the truck as being a long bed. It's kind of nice. You know, the chassis that they sent us, I don't know what the hell they built it for, but it wasn't the right truck. It's way longer than it should have been. That's the other thing that's here. Now we get to put the suspension and the rear end and the front suspension, the front axle in the truck. So parts just showed up. Some donor parts showed up for this truck, and so next week we'll try to start getting some suspension in and the roof on. Nathan built all the rear cab wall, all the B pillars. I think he did majority, if not all, of the replacement door skins and supports and all that stuff for the door. I know he did one of two patch panels on the doors. I think he welded both of them in. He nailed out all the floor. He's finishing up some of the flooring stuff. Now again, we're not supposed to be, it's not a show car, but it's going to be seen a lot. So the front firewall's been been done. It's been all roughed. We got a little bit more work to do. Like we're gonna cut that off. Actually make 2 of these here. Just because it's a lot easier to remake it than it is to try to fix that. So this truck here has come along quite nicely. And to be honest with you, the truck, a build like this should be 6 to 10 months, if not 12. We have less than 8 weeks to have it done. So for me to be able to get out here and to get back into helping these guys, we really need to have this truck pretty much done next week. Nathan's going to jump to doing the hood sides because we're going to take the louvers out of the hoods. Josh will finish the bed, the running boards, and these front pieces up. And once I'm done with the roof, I'll tackle the front fenders. The rear fenders are fiberglass. They're just cheaper to buy than it is for us to build them. There's no sense in it. We'll get all that stuff put together. The bumpers are on their way. I think we may end up not using the bumpers I bought because I don't think they're going to fit the truck the way I want them to. So I think we're going to build a set. But yeah, I'm pretty monotone on this truck because it's taking a lot. It's almost like building another cab over. Which, don't get me wrong, the cab over is cool. This truck's going to be cool, but I'm ready to see it blasted and going through the body shop 100% because it really needs it. So hopefully next week, roof, front fenders will be worked on, front suspension will go in. Depending on who gets done with their job first, we'll start the suspension. So yeah, now I think I'm done with this one. This is a really cool truck to build though. It really is.